Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether Goodbudget can track cash transactions. The short answer is yes, Goodbudget can track cash transactions, and doing so is essential if you want an accurate picture of your household or personal budget. Because Goodbudget is built on the envelope budgeting method, it relies on tracking every dollar spent, regardless of whether that money leaves your bank account digitally or as physical paper bills from your wallet. When you spend cash, the money doesn't automatically sync like it does with a linked bank account, so you have to log the transaction manually. To do this effectively in Goodbudget, you first need to set up a dedicated cash account within the app or website. Think of this digital cash account just like a physical wallet. Whenever you make an ATM withdrawal or cashback transaction, you record a transfer from your checking account into your cash account. This updates your available balances without altering your total income or expense totals yet, because you are simply moving money from one pocket to another. Once the cash is in your digital cash account, recording your actual spending is straightforward. When you buy groceries, gas, or coffee using physical cash, you open the app and log a new transaction. You select your cash account as the payment source, enter the exact amount, and assign that expense to the appropriate envelope, such as groceries or entertainment. Goodbudget will immediately deduct that amount from both your cash account balance and your chosen envelope. Failing to log cash transactions is one of the most common reasons budgets fall out of balance. People often withdraw cash, spend it over a few days, and forget where it went, leaving a discrepancy between what the app thinks is in your wallet and what is actually there. By manually entering your cash purchases as soon as they happen, you ensure your envelopes reflect your real-world spending habits. If you notice your cash account balance does not match the physical cash you have left, Goodbudget allows you to perform a balance adjustment. This is a helpful feature for reconciling minor discrepancies caused by lost receipts or forgotten purchases, keeping your financial records accurate over time. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.